Another tool that is available for teachers that very few of them know about is something called Flashcard Factory. If you go to peardeck.com and log in as a teacher, you will have access to something called the Flashcard Factory. All the teacher has to do is import or add different vocabulary terms that need to be reviewed by the students. Once you've added the term and definitions to the first page, all you have to do is select Flashcard Factory, and the Flashcard Factory will do the rest. Students will once again go to joinpd.com and add in a new 6-digit code. I have 2 different student screens to show you that students work in pairs to create flashcards. One student will write answers. Students can either write in the definition or write an example of the word while the other student draws for that example. So once one student has written out their response and the other student has drawn the picture, they both say that they are done. If they both agree that they like how this one looks, anytime the students have submitted a flashcard, it will show up in front of the class on the Promethean board or the whiteboard. When all the students have finished all the terms, you can go to quality control. This will allow students to decide if this is a good quality example of the definition or if the quality is poor quality. Once all the flashcards have been through quality control, you can ship them off to Gimkit. And students will be able to play different games within Gimkit using the flashcards that they had created.